The fully automatic MHG rotary table indexing blasting system type SMG 280 combines maximum efficiency with clever design. The robust, CE-compliant blasting system is durable and features a timeless graphite grey surface. It offers powerful, environmentally friendly blasting technology, perfectly tailored to your requirements. The large storage hopper with ergonomically positioned filling chute and level sensors, in combination with cyclone separator, coarse filter screen, and magnetic separation, guarantees reproducible blasting results. A powerful extraction blower, in combination with the generously sized cartridge filter, ensures perfect dust removal and reduced abrasive consumption. Using the selected Siemens operation panel and the intuitive menu structure, all blasting parameters can be programmed conveniently and saved as a data set. The heart of the system is the MHG rotary indexing table. Equipped with up to 12 workpiece satellites, it enables homogeneous processing of rotationally symmetrical series parts. The satellites are loaded manually or automatically via an external loading and unloading station. An integrated airlock system separates the blasting area from the loading area, allowing loading and unloading during the blasting process. Up to 6 blasting nozzles can be positioned individually at 3 blasting stations. A lifting unit enables infinitely variable lifting movements of the blasting nozzles and is driven by an externally mounted gear motor. This guarantees perfect blasting results, even for long components. Optional extras, such as flow monitoring, complete the system and make it a true all-rounder.